Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update is not really necessarily an update, more so an adjustment. And this is adjusting this up to this level right here at $6.20, which seems to be that really key level of resistance. And I think there's going to be a lot of people watching this level. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, rejected, got through it, and actually spiked pretty big. Now, of course, the price didn't maintain above it, but point being, got above it, big spike, got rejected, and then late day today, didn't hit it exactly, but within the vicinity, and once again got rejected. My point here is I think there's a lot of people, a lot of breakout players that are going to be watching that level and wondering, can that $6.20 level be broken? And if it can, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it or not, whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movement. So I'm not saying that if the price breaks through, that anything is guaranteed. My point is that it's a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have that a break of 620 could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. And I'm not saying necessarily send it back up to $8, but there's definitely some room to run on this one. So keep a close eye on that. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new has really changed here. You still have 485, which is that level down there. Now in the very near term, you had this little miniature level of support take shape today down at right around the 550 mark. Let me change that to green to represent support. So from that angle, you had a little near-term level of support, but that's one of those ideal levels of support, meaning if the price falls below 550, that doesn't mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that, because again, you still do have 485 down there. But yeah, I mean, if the price could actually stay above that level, that would be a great sign of strength. But if the price can break up through 620, then from the resistance side of things, next key overall level of resistance would then be right up there around $7.50. So certainly a very intriguing setup moving forward. Let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.